Hi everyone, this is Bob and Fran, and we'd like to share with you what we call our morning hour of power. An important key to being young at any age is to stay as healthy as possible. And one great way to accomplish this is to implement a daily regimen that we call our hour of power. This would be your every morning routine for your mind, body, and spirit. Here's a suggested itinerary for you to consider. Number 1, start your morning drinking a glass of warm water to which you've added the juice of a lemon. This helps to keep your pH alkaline. And the reason this is important is because research indicates that cancer cells cannot survive in an alkaline environment.
You know, Fran, there's one other thing that I think you benefit, at least I benefit from drinking that glass of lemon water in the morning, and that it sort of flushes out your system.
Right.
And I know we can all use that.
Okay.
So the second element in our hour of power that we do every morning would be to do 5 to 10 minutes of gentle stretching. Sort of warm-up exercises to get your day going. If you do them in the style of Qigong or yoga, that would probably be very preferable. If you are interested in learning some Qigong stretches, just go to our YouTube channel and you'll find a lot of Qigong videos for you to utilize.
Okay, next, we suggest that you walk briskly for at least 20 minutes every morning. If you have your clothing and shoes ready to go, it'll make it easier for you. Try to walk in a park or somewhere near trees and plants or in your neighborhood, but most important, just walk.
When you walk, I want to just give you a little tip. To walk briskly and to really get your heart going a bit, you should pump your arms so that the fists come up to the heart level with each step you take. So you might want to give that a try.
Okay, next, follow your walk with 5 to 10 minutes of quiet sitting with a single focus on your breath. Feel the breath entering and exiting at your nostrils. Whenever your mind wanders, simply bring your attention back to your breath. Breathe easy. Don't judge or force your breath. Just enjoy this quiet time to clear your mind.
I know for me that quiet sitting or meditation that we do every morning, it really plays a great role in calming my mind, clearing out my mind, and enabling me to think more clearly in terms of going forward for my day.
And then next would be time to shower or bathe, groom, and dress.
So after you do the grooming and the dressing, we would like to suggest a very simple breakfast as part of the hour of power. And that would just be a bowl of fresh seasonal fruit with a small handful of raw nuts. But please, no sugar, no eggs, no milk from cows, and no bread products for this breakfast, just fruit and nuts.
Now, I would like to add one thing to that, though. If you do have a heart problem, we would advise you to skip the nuts because they do have fat in them and that could be harmful to your heart. And last, take a few seconds to close your eyes and declare your intention to make it a great day by being mindful, acting kindly to everyone, and serving others in some way.
Folks, there's true power in this morning routine. It'll keep you fit, energized, happy, and healthy. Make your hour of power a daily ritual. It can change your life forever.
And we would also like to recommend that you participate in some professionally taught fitness program like Qigong, Tai Chi, yoga, Pilates, or something similar in addition to this morning hour of power. Being physically active is fun, and a very necessary component to being young at any age.
So thanks, folks, for listening. You can help us grow our channel so we can produce more videos of this nature by subscribing to it, hitting the notification bell, commenting in the comment section, and sharing this information with friends. We look forward to seeing you again soon.